When I wake up in the morning, love,
Yeah.
and the sunlight hurts my eyes,
It's just me against the world.
and something without warning, love,
Nothing to lose. Just me against the world, baby.
bears heavy on my mind.
I got nothing to lose. It's just me against the world. Me against the world, baby. Getting pics in my prophecy. Stress in the city, the cops are stopping me. The projects full of bullets, nobody's just dropping. They ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killers, leaving dead bodies in abandoned buildings. Can't reach the children because they're illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal from the capability. Without feeling, but will they last? So be blasted, hard-headed bastard. Maybe you'll listen in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business buried. The question is, will I live? No one in the world loves me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers, put one in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, cause this is how it is. What's the use unless we're shooting? No one notices the you. It's just me against the world, baby. It's just me against the world. Yeah. Got stuck in the game. It's just me against the world. Cause it's just me against the world, baby.
I know how it feel to wake up fucked up. Pockets broke as hell, another rock to sell. People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about the stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tanqueray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping old 62s. Cause GED wasn't B.I.G. I had to get P.A.D. That's why my moms hate me. Conspiracy, she'll be home in 3. Until then, I looks out for the whole family. A true G, that's me, blowing like a bubble in the everyday struggle.
With all this extra stressing, the question I wonder is after death, after my last breath, when will I finally get to rest through this suppression? They punish the people that's asking questions and those that possess. Still from the ones without possessing the message I stress. To make it stop, study your lesson, don't settle for less.